service because that's what lacks in today's time. आप text कर सकते हो, physical love is of
Life, so thank you. Coming back to your question, I do see a lot of fear. I do see a lot of miscommunication. But I don't, if you ask me, I've been in a relationship for 12 years now. So speaking from personal experience, I think there's a lot of love. We just need to communicate better.
And commitment?
I think we need to find better.
मेरा सवाल अमर जी के लिए है। अमर, नमस्ते। आपकी जिंदगी में व्हाट्स योर लाइफ्स बिगेस्ट लेसन ऑन लव?
Hi. Hi, Sarah.
हेलो।
Congratulations. I think I have to say one thing before. When I saw you guys performing behind that parda, and when you guys came, nikal ke, it felt like that was a place between where you find yourself between dreams and reality. It was surreal, and I loved it.
Thank you.
The answer. Sorry, I forgot the question.
ओके। आपकी जिंदगी में व्हाट्स योर बिगेस्ट लेसन ऑन लव?
In my personal experience, I think what I have seen that there's a lack of efforts from people. Efforts are very important, and I have been in a relationship where I couldn't give that much effort to that person, and that was one of the reasons. So I think efforts are very important, and I've rectified that. Yeah. Thank you.
Make breakfast.
True.
To Joita ma'am. All right. In this time and era, how has dating changed in the last 5 years? क्या प्यार करने के तरीके बदल गए?
प्यार का तरीका ज़रूर बदलता है, लेकिन एसेंस जो उसका कोर है वो तो कभी नहीं बदलता। एंड आई थिंक आज का जनरेशन भी ये समझता है, बट इट्स ऑलवेज लाइक यू नो थोड़ा वक्त वो खुद को भी देते हैं, पार्टनर को भी देते हैं। बट आई थिंक बदलाव तो है, हर वक्त ही बदलाव है। सो आई थिंक वी शुड एम्ब्रेस दैट एंड एक्सेप्ट दैट।
पॉजिटिव हुआ या नेगेटिव?
आजकल के ज़माने में प्यार के बाद सोशल मीडिया भी 1 आध घंटे जगा देता है।
Be the most, you and Aditya. So, and the netizens have been raving about your chemistry. So, what was the experience like working with Aditya?
Honestly, I had a lot of fun. I think that, I've grown up watching Vasuda's films. And I think that just being given an opportunity to be part of it was just amazing. And I think that Vasuda and Adi...
Are she's talking about
I
Adi
know,
and
I'm
chemistry.
getting to it. So just being nice, and honest and sweet. But I also think that Vasuda has a way of working that I have never really seen before, You kind of like... And Adi, basically what I'm trying to say is Adi, having worked with Vasuda before, was like it was like a nice bridge kind of a thing, because they like knew each other and they knew how to kind of work, and I instantly felt very comfortable because of, I think, the fact that he got me into this way of working. Quite
I
easily.
acted as a translator between.
No, not really, but like my first day of work was with you and Fatima, and y'all were both like, this is it, this is how it's going to be, because I was like, ho kya raha hai, what's happening, what are we saying, do we know what we're saying, and they're like, just go with it, just flow, you'll find, you'll get used to it,
हो
जाएगा. It's like, kya hoga, like, what are we doing? Yeah, so I think that, it was definitely helpful to have him around.
नमस्कार, मैं रेखा खान यहाँ से कि
एक मिनट शांत हो जाओ दोस्तों।
जी, एक समय था जब हम कहते थे इश्क मोहब्बत, ये वाला टाइम था। फिर उसके बाद आया कि एक रिलेशनशिप, और अब है सिचुएशनशिप। अब तो प्यार के मोहब्बत के एक नए नए टर्म्स आ गए हैं, बेंचिंग, ब्रेड क्रम्बिंग। इस पर मैंने एक बहुत बड़ा आर्टिकल किया था और ये बहुत सारे उसमें कुछ 20-25 टर्म्स थे। मैंने बहुत जेंजी और उन लोगों से भी बात की। तो मैं आप दोनों से जानना चाहती हूँ कि आप क्या प्यार के ये जो एक नए लफ्ज़ आए हैं, ये एक नई सिचुएशन आई है, रिलेशनशिप के बाद जो एक सिचुएशनशिप है, आप इनसे कितना रिलेट करते हैं? क्योंकि सबसे यंगेस्ट जो जोड़ी है आप ही लोग हैं।
है क्या? What is a situationship? Technically, आप जानते हैं what exactly is it? I'm not so clued in.
सिचुएशनशिप
Define
मतलब
करते
जो
ना।
मैंने आर्टिकल किया, सिचुएशनशिप मतलब एक सिचुएशन में आप जिसके प्यार में पड़े हैं, वो एक सिचुएशनशिप
Right,
है।
पूरा relationship में नहीं है।
नहीं है ना, तभी तो वो
Correct.
सिचुएशनशिप
It's one step below a relationship.
एग्जैक्टली,
Without commitment.
It's without commitment.
कमिटमेंट जी।
टाइमिंग छोटी होती है सिचुएशन।
It's a small situation.
जी बिल्कुल।
वो
तो
गरम गरम फ्रेंच फ्राई की तरह है, शुरू में बड़ा कुरकुरा लगता है, थोड़ी देर बाद सौगी हो जाता है।
पर इन दोनों को कैसा लगता है?
देखो, I didn't even understand कि ये term का meaning क्या है, तो I guess I'm old school like that. हाँ।
एंड
I
सारा, ओके, एंड सारा यू?
No, I also feel the same way. I don't really believe in this situationship. I mean, to each their own.
Breadcrumbing?
What is that? Like,
Benching?
थोड़ा-थोड़ा लेना।
हाँ।
नहीं, थोड़ा-थोड़ा नहीं चाहिए।
एंड बेंचिंग, व्हाट अबाउट द बेंचिंग?
What is that?
बेंचिंग मतलब कि एक से प्यार में रहना और एक को स्टेपनी की तरह रखना।
अरे वाह।
मैंने एक बहुत बड़ा आर्टिकल किया इसलिए मुझे सारी बातें पता है।
ये सब तो पहले भी होता था ना?
हाँ,
अरे,
तब होता था, वो
सब
डबल
नाम
डेटिंग
लेते
बोलते थे, तब उस तरह से ये सारी चीजें शायद नाम बदल गए जी।
नहीं, ये वो वाला बेंचिंग नहीं
वो
है।
अलग बेंचिंग।
इतना ड्रामा कर दो, पता नहीं बेंची के बारे में क्या हो।
पता है कि होता है, बट उसका नाम बेंचिंग है, ये थोड़ी ना पता है।
हाँ, मैं ठीक है, अब थोड़ा सा एक सीरियस सवाल पर भी मैं आती हूँ। अनुराग जी, मैं आपको बहुत 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 ज़्यादा ही बधाई देना चाहूँगी।
थैंक यू सो मच।
क्योंकि इसमें इतनी सारी स्टोरीज हैं कि कहीं ना कहीं हम सभी कुछ ना कुछ रिलेट कर रहे हैं और बहुत इस फिल्म को लेकर के बहुत ज़्यादा उम्मीदें हैं। लेकिन एक तरह से चूँकि हम एक सीनियर जर्नलिस्ट हैं, एंटरटेनमेंट ही खाते पीते हैं, तो एक लंबे समय से एक चिंता भी चल रही है कि बॉक्स ऑफिस बहुत वियर्ड बिहेव कर रहा है, बहुत ही अजीबोगरीब उसका मिजाज है। तो बहुत उम्मीद है फिल्म से, मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है इंशाल्लाह। लेकिन आपको क्या लगता है कि ये फिल्म बॉक्स ऑफिस की सूरत और सीरत को बदल पाएगी?
सर, ऊपर से कूदना पड़ना।
Call yourself in someone who believes in old school love. We know you'll make breakfast definitely for your girlfriend. But what is the biggest red and green flag that you look in a partner, and what will it take for you to commit to someone? Because you're the only unmarried male in the
A
panel
green
right
flag,
now.
a red flag would be, I think. Yeah, I could say that, but no, maybe someone who's got a prison record that might go against been to jail. Yeah, the red flag. No, yeah, I think a green flag is just, I guess, just someone who's kind. Someone's kindness is, I guess, an important thing, because if you're planning to be with someone for a long time, you'll end up being in all kinds of situations. But if they're inherently kind, then that's definitely a green flag. And a red flag, yeah, like Sir said, if they land up in your hall with suitcases, it might be a problem. So.
Hi, Samina here from Zoom channel. My question is to Sara Ali Khan. Your hairstyle looks very beautiful, and I must say it's quite unique also. And did you like draw comparisons, probably from some of the characters you felt so? And apart from that, what you have to say about this one? You have been a part of love stories in the past. All has been a different story, and you have had your own success for that one. Do you have some pressure on you right now with this one?
Honestly, I'll start with the latter part of the question. I have never felt less pressure. I think that I'd said this earlier and then Basudha didn't let me finish, so I'll say it again. I just think that, there are moments where I can't even believe that I'm here. I am just so honored and privileged to be on a stage right now with like 7 actors that I admire, with Basudha, with Bhushan sir, in a film like this. I mean, it's just amazing. It's surreal to me to just be a part of it. So I don't think that, I mean, the pressure would be mine at all, actually. But I think that as far as the look is concerned, much like everything else, it was all Vasuda's brainchild. But I think that it definitely is not glamorous. It's real, I feel. And I feel like, you know, my character in this film is just like an easy breezy girl just trying to figure her life out. And I've never been given an opportunity to kind of showcase that in like an urban but real sense before, you know. So I don't know, I hope that it's like
I wanted the hair a little shorter. Both हमारी जगह
कहाँ झगड़े सर
झगड़े नहीं कहाँ से आ रहा है? जी, आइए, come.
Well, 4th of July is when we'll get to see the film in theaters, ladies and gentlemen.
You have to tell me one lesson that love has taught you all. What would that be?
बहुत दर्दी है.
I think honestly sometimes I struggle with going with the flow, and I think one has learned that, like Coco ma'am just said, that you just have to go in blind, you know, and just like hope for the best. And that's it.
सारा जी
बहुत
आपके
मजा
ठीक
आता है.
सामने सारा जी आपके ठीक सामने अब सारा जी हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में वो ऐसा कौन सा कपल है जो शादीशुदा भी है, सक्सेसफुल भी है और आपका फेवरेट है?
कंफ्यूज कर दी.
सारा जी अगर आपको सवाल नहीं समझ में आया तो हिंदी
अलग इन्विजिलेटर बन रहे हो.
अगेन मैं पंकज जी आपको बहुत ही अच्छे से समझा देंगे.
मेरे फादर एंड करीना.
वो ऐसी कौन सी क्वालिटी आपको नजर आती है उनके अंदर जो आपको बहुत ही अच्छी लगती है? क्योंकि आपने बताया मेरे फादर हैं.
ये अलग से कहीं लिखोगे क्या?
ये नेक्स्ट ईयर लॉन्च पे आंसर
अनुराग
All right, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
एक सवाल अनुराग.
Okay,